Alright, blue team and red team. These are the terms that you will hear a lot if you decide to work in security field. You will also most likely work in one of these if cybersecurity is your career path. So let's quickly explain what are they. First, we have a blue team, which is a defensive security team that consists of professionals responsible for maintaining the defense against all cyber attacks and responsible for creating a security strategy. And on the other side, we have a red team. Red team consists of security professionals who are trained to attack and break into the systems. Now, it's important to have both of these teams. Imagine it like a small war between one another, which helps to increase security overall. Blue team, which is responsible for defense strategy, can improve the strategy if red team succeeds to break into it. Blue team has their own methods of protecting and establishing a security strategy. This can be, for example, setting up firewall, setting up honeypots and antivirus softwares and logging softwares on the endpoint devices. Of course, other than just setting up those softwares, it is important to regularly monitor the traffic and the occurrences on the secured network and devices. On the other hand, red team is, as we said, responsible for breaking those defenses and getting access to the systems or compromising the target network. Same way blue team has their defense strategy, red team has its attack strategy, which consists of information gathering, fingerprinting, scanning the target, and performing vulnerability analysis to find a weak point or a vulnerability in the system. Then they can use different methods such as social engineering, phishing, exploiting known vulnerabilities, and running payloads and exploit codes against the target. Now, besides blue and red team, there is also something called purple team. Purple team doesn't have to be a single team, but in most cases it is. Its job is to bring the red and the blue team together to work and to share information. Now, you might be asking, well, isn't this logical already? Yes, but the red team's success is essentially measured by blue team's failure. And nobody wants to be the one failing, so sometimes blue team might not report something to the red team or vice versa. That's why there must be someone who can manage both teams and encourage them to share information, as the ultimate goal at the end is to have the best possible security and not to see who performed better.